Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other usual activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. When you open your Snapchat account and try to log in into your Snapchat account and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Because your Snapchat account is disabled and not logging in, so what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that you have to simply look for Google in Snapchat Sport, and after that what you have to do, you will find this kind of interface in Snapchat Sport, where you will find the option of all these options. So here you have to simply go to the home, and here you can find the option of my account is compromised. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to look for that form you have to fill, so that you can simply request Snapchat so that they can reactivate your account. So here you can simply click on I can't access my account, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is locked, and after that you can simply click on my account was compromised again, and after that you have to wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface is available. And here you will find the form where you have to fill. Here you have to provide your username, your email address, and your mobile number. And after that, you have to provide here description, which I have already written. So here what you have to do, you have to simply provide here the captcha for that. And after that, you have to click on submit. After providing submit, you can simply wait for some time so that you can get the email from the Snapchat. And after that, they will solve your problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video, and to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.